In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an event details page in WordPress with ease and precision. Whether you're organizing a small gathering or a significant conference, having a well-crafted event page can make all the difference. So, let's dive right in and get your event page up and running. First, you'll need to make sure you have access to your WordPress dashboard. Once logged in, head over to the left-hand menu and find the option labeled Pages. Click on Add New. This is where we'll start building from scratch. Now, give your page a title. Be clear and concise. For instance, you could call it something like Annual Charity Gala or Tech Conference 2024. A descriptive title is key as it immediately tells visitors what to expect. Now, it's time to add some crucial details about your event. Begin by typing in a captivating introduction or summary of the event in the text editor. Think of this as a way to entice your readers, letting them know what's in store for them. You can highlight the main goals of the event, notable speakers, or specific activities that will take place. Once you have set the stage, it's time to insert specific event details. You'll want to include the date and time so attendees know exactly when to mark their calendars. You can do this simply by typing them in, or alternatively, you can use WordPress plugins to make this information stand out even more, displaying it in bold lettering or unique fonts. Adding venue details is equally important. Be sure to include its full address, and consider embedding a Google map for your attendees' convenience. This can be especially helpful if they are unfamiliar with the area. Next, you'll want to focus on adding images or videos that are relevant to the event. High-quality visuals can significantly enhance the attractiveness of your page. Use images from previous years, promotional videos, or even a welcoming message from the keynote speaker to engage your audience. You can easily upload these by clicking on the Add Media button and selecting the files you want to include. It's vital to provide a section for contact information, so attendees can reach out if they have questions. Include an email address, phone number, and links to social media pages if applicable. This makes it easy for your audience to connect and share the event with their networks. Lastly, don't forget to save your changes and hit publish when you're ready. Before sharing your masterpiece with the world, preview it to ensure all the necessary details are included and everything is visually appealing. Congratulations! You've now created a comprehensive event details page in WordPress. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide helps you create an engaging and informative event page that leaves a lasting impression on your attendees. Don't forget to like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. See you next time.